It's a little warm.
All right. All right. What does it look like?
Here. See for yourself. What do you think it looks like? Is the metal connected? Did you bust any holes? Did you burn any holes?
Actually, I burnt one, but I covered it.
Like I say, we don't have a lot of wire to work with, so we're not trying to be perfect with it. We just want it to hold together so it's not releasing the exhaust underneath the fucking truck. I'd say if it seems pretty solid, it looks pretty good to me. I mean,
Except for that part right there.
that's going to be fine. We'll deal with that later. I want to make sure we got it all put together. Go ahead and weld your little tip on. Well, my homemade tip, because it's a spare piece.
Where would that go? Since it's already placed on.
Should, if it's welded together. Oh, well, hold on, let me get the cords moved a little. Like I said, about 4 of them, about 2 inches long. Alright. Right. Sometimes when the wire gets low like it is, it's a little harder for the feeder to pull it, so you'll have that sometimes. Sometimes you gotta tighten up the tensioner, and sometimes speed it up just a little bit. Sometimes you might just have to weld sideways.
Alrighty.
He's done.
Yep.
We'll finish cleaning it up. You probably use a little more there.
Alright.
It's just a pretend tip, so it doesn't matter. Alrighty. Turn this off for a few minutes. Rest. Okay. Well, it's cooling off, so get it under there. What do we do before we weld on a vehicle?
Take the battery off.
That's right. Let's go do that.
We'll undo the battery, but it means the same thing.
Right. The little quarter-inch drive. The quarter-inch drive. That one, yes. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. We'll do positive first and then the ground.
It'd be
That's
tough.
tightening. What you always want to do is you want to check and make sure you're going the right direction. See, if it's clicking, then it'll be the opposite way. So, there you go. It should be going the right direction now. Whoa! Holy crap! What'd you do?
I have no fucking.
Don't touch that. Don't ground out the battery. Actually, it's probably better to take the ground off first. That was my fault. It's okay, relax, just go ahead. You're fine. You have any idea how many times I've grounded out a battery? Just, you know, it just happens. How'd you like grounding that battery out? Wasn't it cool?
I almost shit myself. I'm gonna get this pipe set up under here for him to weld it up to the exhaust. Finish it up. I'm letting him do this, all of it. Am I on?
You're on. I'm out of here. It's fine. Anyways, it's probably not going anywhere anytime soon. It's real welded. Okay, burnt up a whole roll. You did good, man. You did good. I'll go under there and I'll check it all out. You know, it ain't the greatest on the planet, but hey, it'll do for now. And then when we get more wire, we'll finish this all up. I'll let you finish it up. I don't think it's going nowhere no time soon, that's for sure. I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty solid, so I don't think it's gonna go nowhere no time soon. So at least it'll stay long enough for us to get another roll of wire. You get under here and finish it up, and good. This was pretty important though. Make sure that was.
It should be stable.
Yeah. If anything, I'll probably wrap a piece of wire or something around it just in case. But it looks all right. But we'll need to finish filling all that in, finish all this. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. This poor exhaust is about had it anyways. Fuck, there's a hole right there. Shh. Son of a bitch. Wow.
Where at?
Right back here at this first bend. It's on the back side.
Oh.
We're gonna have some other work that we need to do too. We're gonna have to get some thicker gauge stuff and some actual metal and fix these they're actually for the overload, for like if you get into real rough terrain and got a heavy load back there in the back, they're gonna need fixed, but they need to be pretty heavy duty metal. And then we'll have to get the rubber stoppers for it, but the other one's totally chewed out, so it's gonna be a cut and chop and weld a whole new. I think maybe I can actually order them, but I think I'm just gonna fabricate them myself because it's not gonna be that big of a deal. So anyways, Kendall doing some exhaust. I think it looks all right. We'll finish it up when we get another roll of wire. Well, he'll finish it up. I'll probably have to get another piece of pipe. I don't know, I may see about replacing it from the muffler all the way back to here. We may do that. We'll see, but I definitely think I need to get this patched or something because it's got a pretty good sized hole. Yeah, anyways, at least that'll look good for the police. Well, because you have to have exhaust.
It actually looks good at that position because that's supposed to short.
Well, that's about where it usually supposed to set. It should usually stick out about that much. That way it's shooting out from underneath the truck. But with that hole in there, that kind of upsets me. I didn't know it was that bad. Anyways,